In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed at a straight point, which is 5 meters from the first ball, and the other balls are placed 3 meters apart in the straight line. There is 10 balls in a line. A competitor starts from the bucket, pick up the nearest ball, runs back with it, drops into the bucket, runs back to pick up the next ball, runs to the bucket to drop it, and continues in the same way until the balls are in the bucket. What is the total distance the competitor has to run? Okay. In a bucket and ball race, a bucket is placed at the straight point, which is 5 meters from the first ball. Okay. This is the bucket. The ball is 5 meters from the bucket, first ball. Okay. So second ball, this is the 5 meters distance. Second ball is 3 meters. Second and the other balls are 3 meters apart. So second ball is 3 meters means 8. Third ball is 11 meters from the bucket. So from the given information, the distances are okay. First one is 5, 8, 11. How many balls are there? 10 balls. 11. Next one is 14. Next is 17. 17, so on. Here A1 equals to 5, A2 equals to 8, A3 equals to 11, so on. Oh. So n equals to how much? 10 balls. N equals to 10. Difference, common difference. See, 8 minus 5 is 3. 11 minus 8 is 3. So common difference is same. Hence it is a what is this progression? Arithmetic progression. So d equals to A2 minus A1. That is 8 minus 5, 3. Okay. So now we will find the sum of the distance. Okay. Distance in forward direction. First forward direction, backward direction. Two directions. Distance in forward direction. What is the SN formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So how many balls are there? 10 balls. So S10 equals to 10 over 2a. A is 5 plus 10 minus 1, d is 3. So 10 over 2 how many times? 5 times. So 5 times of 2 5s are 10 plus 9 times 3. Okay. That equals to 5 into 10 plus 9 3 is 27. So 5 into 10 plus 27 is 37. 10 plus 27 is 37. See, 5 7 is 35. 5 3 is 15. 18. 185 meters in only one direction. Okay. Total distance. Total distance covered. The competitor. So total distance means 2 times. She runs and pick the ball and keep in the bucket. So 2 times. So 2 times of 185. So 2 8s are 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 8s are 16 plus 1 17. 1 2 1s are 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. 370 meters.